Hi there, this is the work so far. What I've done is I've changed the method of triggering using a reed. I've moved it into position. What I've done is I've used an old radio antenna, a telescopic type, and I've fixed it onto a couple of large block connectors. And at the bottom of the block connector I've used an old bearing, which I've hot glued onto the frame, fixed onto the frame. What that means is it means I can just pop the reed into the block connector without having to resolder it and then just clip onto the top and the bottom, which is what I'm going to do when I finally solder this thing down. Back in again. Right. All I'm doing at the minute, I've just got a 9-volt battery across it, so I'm not really inputting very much. What I've done is I've built a small capsule device, and what I've done with that is I'm going to build that thing into it when I finally get this thing soldered down, which is going to be another day or two. This is the board I'm going to be using, so it looks like I'm going to be coming away with three windings I can use, and three match switching circuits. Here's the cap. It's only a small cap, it's 100 microfarad. I can speed this thing up. I'm not going to give it too much because I don't want to see how the bulb acts like a trigger. And what it does is when the potential rises to a certain level, similar to what the comparators work like, it instructs the circuit when to switch, and it partially dumps it to the battery. But what happens is the bulb works like an isolator as well, so it isolates the capacitor from the battery. This is why these systems work so well. So if I slow it down again. So that's back to normal pretty much. There's the battery. I'm just doing this, I've only just put this together, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be soldering it down soon. I don't like to use circuits on breadboards for too long. So that's all I wanted to show. Pretty much. I'm going to, if I do anything different with it, I'll just post another video. So thanks for watching.